Is calamari good for you? Many diverse cuisines regularly use squid as an ingredient. In English, squid dishes are frequently referred to as calamari. There are several methods for cooking and preparing squid. In the Mediterranean, fried squid is a favorite dish. In South Africa, New Zealand, Australia, the United States, Canada, and Australia, it is sold in fish and chip shops. Calamari can be either fish or beef. Calamari is known as squid in Italian. Calamari is the name for squid meat in gastronomy, just as pork and beef in English refer to pig and cow meat, respectively. Is calamari a healthy food? Calamari, like many types of seafood, is a fantastic source of B vitamins. A 3-ounce portion contains 14% of the RDA for niacin and 31% of the RDA for riboflavin. These vitamins are necessary for healthy eyesight, healthy appetite and digestion, appropriate brain function, energy production, and skin care. Is calamari good for your heart? Better calamari. It is also low in fat, with just 1 gram of total fat and 0.3 gram of saturated fat, the kind that clogs arteries. Even better news is that the same serving is also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the healthy fats that may reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Calamari's reputation for being rubbery isn't entirely unjustified, but it only gets rough when it's overcooked. The secret to coaxing it to a soft, flexible texture is to cook it quickly over high heat or slowly over low heat, whether sautéing, roasting, stir-frying, grilling, or even deep frying. More seafood recipes on this channel.